Hello and welcome to, well, a package. Packages are always exciting, big or small. In fact, small often pack more power. Dynamite, they say, comes in small packages. Welcome to something I'm incredibly excited to show you. I've actually been spending a bit of time wearing it. I've broken the seals, I've been wearing it, and I've taken it off now, put back a traditional ring, which we'll pop to the side, because let's take a look at this. It's the Samsung Galaxy ring. Now, first things first, the unboxing experience means peeling away tabs, but also, like a typical ring, an exquisite piece of jewelry. It is absolutely beautiful. You get the casing. Inside here, you get instructional manuals, a USB Type-C to C cable, but mostly you get this exquisite looking jewelry case. It's crafted. It's got a non-slip material, perfect to put on the side of the bed or a desk. It's got a USB Type-C input. And when you open it, well, the ring glows to life. Now, you get the ring according to sizes. I've gone for a size 9, fits me perfectly. There's a whole array. You also get it in this silver titanium color, or you get it in black, but principally, you put it on the ring finger incredibly easily. It's got a little line here that denotes that it's in line with your palm, which is perfect for using its functionality. The likes of heart rate, for instance, activity monitoring. It pairs with the Samsung Health app. Pair it with your Samsung device for the most optimum performance and usage. However, this being a Samsung ring, it also can work with the likes of iPhone or other Android devices. It's multi-compatible, but most importantly, it feels premium. It's lightweight, it's crafted, it's titanium. You've got an array of sensors around the body. It charges in the case. You're getting about a week plus battery life with ease. And it's great when you're out there and you want to use it for sleep tracking, something which Discovery have recently launched and introduced and made it crucially important to one's healthcare. Let's face it, who wants to sleep with a clunky watch on? Whether it be a heart rate tracking watch, a smartwatch, or just a regular wristwatch, they're a bit uncomfortable, which is why I'm not wearing one now. However, the ring, you can hardly feel it. It lets you go about your day-to-day life, yet monitors all the crucial and important data which we require. So now that this has been said, we've taken a quick look, we've unboxed it, cut the seals, shown you a little bit about what it looks like. Let's get out there, let's go for a bit of a run, experience life wearing the ring, take a look around the app, and enjoy using the Samsung Galaxy ring. What a beautiful location. Ocean over there, the promenade next to me. I've just been for a run. Time to catch my breath, but also reflect on this. This is the Samsung Galaxy ring. And previously I would have been running with some kind of smartwatch perhaps. And they still do some fantastic things, but if you want something so non-discreet, it's lightweight, it's beautiful on the finger, and it's out in a location like this where I've got the beautiful ocean and the waves behind, that you can really reflect on some of its cool features. You're getting impressive battery life. We saw that really cool charging case. Plus, when you're out here and you've been on a nice run or you've been out enjoying a bit of exercise, it's monitoring heart rate, it monitors sleep tracking, it's got impressive battery life, as I mentioned, and with its titanium build and grade, it's lightweight, it can easily fit in here. You barely know I'm wearing a fitness wearable here or something lifestyle wearable, but it's such a cool element.